Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor sent me another free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get right into it. So I got sent a hydroponic growing system. It's one of those grow beds, and the package includes a hydroponic growing system, plastic bag for 4 planting pods, plastic bag 8 planting sponges, and a carton box includes bottle A and B. So it includes everything that you need, including the little grow light that grows with the plants. So let's open it up and see what we got. I obviously can't grow you some plants right off the bat, but let's see what we have, shall we? All right, so we got some. These are stabilizing sticks for the plants after you grow. So let's take this out. Now I have a friend that did this, and these hydroponic gardens grow so much faster because of the hydroponic system and the lighting system. And so the light adjusts with the growth of your plants. And when you're starting them off, you want the light way down low like this. And then as it grows, you move the light up, and you just keep moving it up, and your plants grow right in here. And all of your equipment is stashed in here. You have your power system, of course, and you have your little pods that you put your seeds into, and you have plant food, and they have little domes where you put your seed. You put these over the seeds right after they start sprouting. But before they sprout, you put these little stickers over them to keep them in the dark for a little while they're germinating. Then you have a plant food B. To put these together, you would put the right mixture. You put water in here up to a level. Then you'd put the right food in there for whatever stage of the plants are in. Put these in here, and you put your seeds in here. Put your seed plants in there. You can have up to four plants growing at a time. And then you put these in here, put your seeds in there. And when you first started, you would have your lights way down low. And you can adjust your on the back side here, on the controller, you can adjust the what type of light. It has a special lighting. What did I read here? If it's vegetables, you push the light so that the red, blue, and white LEDs would light up. And that's in the vegetable mode. And if you're growing fruits and flowers, you would push it so that just the red and white LEDs would turn on. And they turn on for 12 hours a day or 16 hours a day, and then they turn off for 18 hours. They do it all automatically. It's really cool. And then there's a pump that pumps water into the plants that you can control and turn off and on. These things really work good. And if you want to grow a plant yourself, or if you wanted a child to start growing some little vegetables, some strawberries or some herbs and things like that in your kitchen, this is a great starter kit for that. I say go out and get one right away. I've seen them grow. They work awesomely, and they grow fast. Go out and get yourself a MUFGA hydroponic growing system.